Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. The last two lessons we learned about lists. Today we will continue learning about how to make mutations to a list. So today we'll learn about a few different ways to mutate. The first one is called append, written like this. It is also a way of adding stuff to a list. So let's delete it over here. And this is how it's used. It's written like the name of the list dot append, and then brackets open the name of the desert that you want to add, or the name of the item that you want to add to the list. So here we want to add creme brulee. I'll open the terminal. Yeah, here's the console, and we can start. For this case, we'll just add name of our list. So now it's showing that we added creme brulee to the end of the list because we did that, right? Let's add chips because we might like chips, or for whatever reason. Let's add chips to our deserts, and yep. Here the next way is removing items from a list. Of course you can make a mutation to it, but a different way is, it's also an easier one, is like this. This is just the remove function. So my favorite deserts is the name of our list dot remove, and then the name of our list remove, and in the brackets it will say what we want to remove. So here we want to remove muffins. Now we can print it and you'll see what is all in our list of favorite deserts. Like, you can always change the deserts in this list to whatever your favorite deserts are. So now let's run it. So now it's showing that we removed muffins from our list, which we did right now. A different way is called deleting. It's built up like this. DEL, short form for delete. So delete, then my favorite deserts as the name of our list, and then the index of the object that we want to remove. One would for now be chocolate, and now we'll also print. And let's run it. Here it's now showing we remove chocolates from the list. So this now also works with slice ranges. Slice ranges are, yes, many indexes at once. So we can use deleting as with slice ranges too. We just have to add the index, write the slice range. Like, if you want, we can also remove this, but I guess we don't. So here is the code. So here now we removed everything except one, which was everything except 0, which was brownies, and I don't think we want to, so wait a second. We can remove this part of the code, and this can also be removed like this, and here we still have that. Now the next way of doing stuff is, or would be, with indexes. In just adding items to your list with indexes would look like this. So name of the list, like an index, but after that you'll show what you'd like to put after that. So the starting index, and then something, usually it would be a 2 for after that if you wanted to remove or take the stuff in there. But here it's showing that after 1 should come this pumpkin pie as a dessert. We should be sure not to mix it up with this, because if you mix it up with this, then something else will happen. So for now, we can pay attention to this, right? And here, let us print. And here, it's showing that we added pumpkin pies as after the first index, or before the first index, yeah. So here we have pumpkin pie in our list too. But now, if we by mistake do this, then a different problem would arise, which means that at the moment want to replace what is at the first index with this, which we of course don't want to do. So we can delete this. So I hope you enjoyed the lesson and learned about lists. See you next video. It would really encourage me to teach you more if you like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.